Not even. Yeah. Like, no, that's say visual more communicative.
It just won't end when you leave here.
On the ground? He's on the ground.
Unless you have a travel.
Let's see how one of those. We're putting our rescuers down on there.
He has an air monitor on.
Okay.
We know what this tank is used for. We know it's clean down there, and it's ventilated right now inside and outside because they're doing inspections down there.
Oh, where's the chain? Can you unhook that?
Okay.
And they can go down on a static line. Yeah. Yeah. It is. We have to use. Hey, they can use that as dynamic, like as a dynamic. Rob, you know, are you know what class? How I see this thing coming up with a beam. Under the rope. No, that should be good.
Gonna do it again?
This rope? What? Somebody said
They've granted up to me.
So that's
Yeah. So we're putting our horizontal straps across, matching them up, and then we'll tighten them all up. Okay, then next we move to his feet. These feet up through the. Yeah, they were just gonna go. There's a blank grommet here. One grommet left without a clamp in it.
As they go down and work.
His feet can either go straight up, like they are like that, or we can put them, if we wanted, out to the sides, depending on how we figure would give us, I guess, the most room to get him out.
all three of them can be on the same.
So
you can see how
the next thing that we need to
goes.
determine is whether we're going to lift them horizontally
They just
or
never really be able to
vertically.
pass each other.
So if we're going to lift them vertically, the red, that's what the red rope is for. So there's two ways to weave this. As they've found out from the manufacturer, you can eliminate these grommets to avoid this coming over on and smashing in the head when we lift. But the other thing
can you just show us what happens if we try and pull that up from here from a lifting point? What's going to happen to it?
So with it through these top grommets, sometimes when we lift, it'll tend to want to pull his head forward and also...
So start lifting them a bit. Yes, thanks.
Oh yeah, that's... So what we can do is eliminate, reweave it, and eliminate the top grommets.
So just we need to be able to put him in a position where if you grab hold up, we'll sit him up. As the whole team now lifts, and now they can take him straight up. If we're in a situation where it's too low and we can't stand him up like that, then we don't want to rig this way. We want to rig bypassing these grommets so that these ropes are passing in front of him. We'll have a look at that on the next evolution.
What's the advantage of having the grommets through there?
This is designed to encapsulate him. This is designed to keep him in.
So we can't turn.
He can't come out.
The ropes come down, and a reef nut is tied in.
Not going to belay when we haul them up.
Doesn't have to be super tight because there can be a little bit of slack. go through the handles. Another reach on it.
It's that open grommet on the bottom by the foot core in the middle.
The alternative then is the horizontal raise, and that's where these straps come in. So you wouldn't even need the red rope if you're doing a horizontal raise. Printed on one of them, it says head, so the head's just a little bit shorter to keep his head elevated slightly. Through. Go underneath. And the holes you're using are the they're the angled ones. There you go. So these would all snap together.
It's just an inline anchor. You didn't really occupy doing those things. So we did an inline anchor. This is an anchor system we built here. So this rope, technically this is plain as 2 ropes. So forget that this goes over here.
Yeah.
So we've done an inline anchor. Figure these are bumpers. So an inline anchor with 2 tensionless wraps. And then that's tied off to itself. So now that's a separate rope. Now we come over here, and this is just the victim's belay that he went down on. So it's anchored here.
Oh, okay.
We didn't even need to back those up.
Okay.
It just was easy to do it.
Yeah.
And then to an anchor plate, so we could actually hook another line or another system to this. A belay. We could hook that belay and run it onto this instead of that anchor now.
For the fact that the air bottle is turned off and it's only turned on should he suck his air dry, kind of time limit he has to get out.
Alright, so this is our Sabre supplied airline. The way we do our connections to our packs is we've attached a pressing cord to the line itself, so that in the event that this line gets tugged, the force isn't on the connection. So he's going to clip that in. Okay. So now, if this gets tangled on the trapped inside, there's no force, additional force on the airline connection. Just as simple as that.
Hold off. I'd say over the edge.
See? It's on this, not here.
You're fine with this over the edge, or do you want it through? Gotta go all the way. There was a reason. Not bad.
No, it's just back tied.
Inner check. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rob.
Go this way.
He'll be alpha, I'll be omega.
Just say, Dave, there's another belay.
Hi. Hey, Webby.
Can
Back?
you and Petey?
Oh, yeah.
You got it.
Just that way. On the ground. Here, go here, that far away. Are we sending both rescuers all the way to him?
Gotta keep the one in sight, maybe.
Oh, that's right. So where's this? There's another way you can do it, Jamie, whereas if you got a pipe, if this was
That's interesting.
So I'm just waiting. I can do a transfer now. I went and opened that bottle.
How do you transfer?
So the arrow.
Okay.
You can swing it. Go ahead.
Anytime?
Yep, right now.
there you go.
And
Yeah, you
then
just showed.
close this off.
Yeah.
It's off the right one.
That's a far better way to pull because it comes with the
Stop.
base now, eh?
Reset. Slack.
I had my iron grip on that.
You hear it echo? Up on all. Traveled
That's why you guys can unlock it and stop.
So we started out over there. So
Cool.
this way. That way it takes the exertion. Imagine a 28-inch pipe. Takes the exertion off the rescuers, transfers it up here. We're all in the fresh air, right?
Is it not that we're hooked into?
You say footprint. What do you mean by footprint?
So the tripod
Just this?
creates a footprint. We want to keep the lines within the footprint. Once we start pulling outside of the footprint, we tip the tripod. The footprint is the easy to line, stay, or the resultant stay within the footprint. If it does, then we won't tip it. If it moves outside of the footprint, then we will tip it.
Slack on the haul. Down on haul.
Fire tank 3.
Keep an eye.
Tank 3 back in quarters.
Slow on haul, guys. Slow.
Roger, copy. Tank 3 back.
Stop!
Okay, down on haul.
I got it. That's as slow as I can go. It's kind of fast.
And one of their workers slips or has a heart attack or whatever, he's going to be hanging on this ladder attached to one of these. It's one. They have cable ones, they have trolley ones, they have one that go on round pipe, which is very common, and we have them at the water tower.
It's a good way to keep him in place, package him, and then like don't remove
Yeah,
it too soon.
it's
maybe,
going to hold you. I mean, you won't be able to get them off this anyway
Yeah.
until you start to raise, until
Get
you
them.
transfer the load off of this.